what? I do believe in you. I love you. I'm the only one here who ever has. I gave you everything. I gave you my soul. And everybody else here, they're just scared of you. Or they want something from you. But I have always loved you for you. Just the strongest, smartest, best man on earth.
Man.
No. God, no. The God. My Lord. That look you used to get when you'd suckle me. I felt like Mother herself. I felt blessed to nourish someone as important as you. But nothing I ever did was good enough, was it? You cast me out into the cold, which was so much worse than never feeling your warmth in the first place. So all I have been trying to do is to get you to see me the way that you used to. Hell, the only reason I was with Soldier Boy was because your reflected light is better than no light at all. Please, sir. I love you. We all need love, don't we? Even God.